So I'm trying to sort out a problem with my Cosmac ELF 2K that so far only affects the use of the serial port. The control panel and programming via control panel, running test programs and so forth, all of that works perfectly fine. As far as I can tell, the only problem with it right now is this issue with the serial port. So I'm connected with a standard RS-232 cable connected to a real RS-232 port on an older laptop. I've used the port for lots of other things and it always works fine. I used it just recently, in fact. I've got the standard DS275 installed as the interface controller, and I'm running real term on the laptop to capture the video output. I've got the interface set for 2400 baud, no 8 and 1, as indicated by the instructions. I've got the jumpers for the serial port set this way. I think that's everything that's needed to, again, follow the defaults as indicated in the owner manual. And I'm using their recommended quartz crystal as an oscillator. As far as I can tell, it's working. It seems to work fine when doing things that don't involve the RS-232 port. So I'm going to turn the ELF on, and I'm going to wait for the data code 16, which tells me it's ready to receive something. There we go. And then over here on the terminal, I'm going to press carriage return as recommended in the manual to set the baud rate, and I get this. And nothing that I type on the keyboard has any noticeable effect. I have tried removing the DS275 and using this diagram to create a little bypass chip, or sorry, bypass daughter board with the 2.2K resistors, and connecting the VCC receive data, transmit data onto a FTDI to serial port or to USB converter. That would have eliminated the 275 from the question completely, and I get the very same result at all baud rates. It doesn't seem to make any difference whatsoever. I can certainly say I've run into the end of my ideas for diagnosing this. There isn't much between this and the CPU, so it's a bit of a mystery to me what else could possibly be causing the problem. I certainly appreciate your advice. Thanks.